Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by gathering only what you must: objectives, audience, and the raw evidence that proves your point. Once done, prioritize 3 reliable sources and the concrete numbers or quotes you will use. Make sure to set length and formatting constraints now, page count, font, citation style, because that shapes how you write. Then outline 3 main points that answer your objective. This outline becomes your roadmap, so keep it tight and prioritized. You now expand each roadmap point into a compact paragraph. Start with a single clear claim, follow with evidence, and end with a takeaway sentence that ties back to the objective. While writing, insert 1 table or graphic for every 300-500 words to clarify data and label it. Make sure to use headings to guide the reader and keep paragraphs to 3-5 sentences. If a technical term appears, define it briefly where it first appears. You finish by polishing. Read the report aloud to catch awkward phrasing, then cut redundancies and tighten transitions so each section leads naturally to the next. Once done, verify every fact and number against your sources and fix any citation inconsistencies. Make sure the document meets format requirements, export to the required file type, and save a backup. If something goes wrong, check the most recent version and restore only the corrected sections. This usually fixes broken formatting or missing content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.